Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that Marx 10005 that arrived. As you see, I've added a magnetic coupler to the back of it just to give me a chance to run it. I've got it on the Marx Army train. This is going to be its first trip around the rail, so I wanted to do a quick video to document this. So $8.50 on eBay. As you see, it's running actually quite well. That's 50% power. So it's far from perfect, but for being 80 years old, it's actually running quite well. And of course, now that it's running, the longer it runs, the better it will run. So I got the 10005 and the Commodore Vanderbilt for 17 bucks. So basically $8.50 each. Dead as a hammer when I took them out of the box. All I had to do was lubricate them and clean the brushes. Both of them are up and running. And as you see, this 10005 is running really well. No problem with this at all. It runs forward and reverse. No headlight in it. No headlight fixture in it. So anyway, this just reinforces everything I say. Don't overlook the junk. It was definitely worth $8.50. There's no doubt about that. The wheels alone are worth that much. So, as I said, I just stuck a magnetic coupler on the back just so I could run it. And it is up and running with no problem at all, as you see. So the 10005 is running and the Commodore Vanderbilt is running. In fact, I can go ahead and throw it on this consist right now. And let's take this around and see how it runs. Now, I have not replaced the push rod yet, obviously. So reverse and forward. There's 50% power. So, was it worth $17 for both of these? As you see, this is running absolutely perfectly. It's smooth, it's quiet. It actually runs really, really well. Now, this is probably the first time this has been on a rail in my lifetime. This is an old locomotive, as is that one. And both of them are running. And not just running, they're running perfectly. There's no problem with it at all. They both run forward and reverse. Need a lot of cleanup, but even so. So this just reinforces everything I say. Don't overlook the junk. So basically $8.50 a piece, and both of them are running. So some general cleanup, you can de-rust this thing and have it repainted in an hour. Literally. It wouldn't take long to de-rust this. This is a lot of surface rust, but it's been on there for a while, and it's actually got some pitting, it looks like. The only way to tell is to de-rust it and see. But even so, even if it's pitted, just a quick spray of textured paint, it'll be invisible. The rest of it would just be basically clean up, lubing, and tuning. The 10005, there's not much you can do with tin litho other than clean it up. So it's in better than fair condition. Both of them are running. That's the important part. And I just want to do a quick follow-up on this. As I always stress, don't overlook the junk. Just because something's junk when you get it doesn't mean it's going to be junk when you're finished with it. In this case, 2 drops of oil, a spray of WD-40 into both of these, and both of them are running. Not just running, they're running absolutely perfectly. So, got a new project. I'll get these cleaned up, straighten them out. Very likely I'll pull the finials off, pull the handrails off, or maybe leave the handrails on and de-rust this in vinegar. Get all the rust off of it and then just respray it. You've got a really, really decent pre-war Commodore Vanderbilt. Clean up those wheels, add the push rod. It's going to be a great addition to the collection. The 10005, I never got into the tin litho locomotives, so I don't know what I'm going to do with it. We'll see, I guess. In any case, both of them are up and running. I just want to do a quick follow-up video. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.